Welcome back to the channel, guys. VST here, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is the unit One UI 8 Android 16. This is the fifth test firmware or alpha firmware, so that's not even, guys, the first official beta. But this video is all about the Expert Raw, because a minute ago I saw that there is an update in Expert Raw. Not only an update, guys, but an update that apparently works with One UI 8 and Android 16. I'm using the fifth One UI 8 test firmware. This is the version ZYEQ here, guys, with the security patch level from the 1st of May. And this is Expert Raw. Yeah, really working under One UI 8. That is even not the first official beta, guys. When you go here to Expert Raw, you're gonna see the version is 5.0.0.11. And a lot of the things that I tested inside actually do work. Something that I really like about Expert Raw is the fact that you can use it to take a 24 megapixel photos. Not only in RAW, you can do RAW in JPEG, only RAW or only JPEG, and it works. And to prove it to you guys, I'm just gonna do some samples here, okay? So this is just all RAW footage. So ultra wide, this is the wide lens, okay, it's 1x. This is now the 3x, this is the first telephoto zoom, and the ST, guys, would be the second telephoto zoom camera, which is actually the 5x. All the things that we have inside here, they do work. And by the way, if you don't know about Expert Raw, this is really a stock Samsung application that can transform your phone in a way that you cannot imagine, right? There are so many things inside, guys. You can use them as a combination. And if you do have the S25 Ultra, there are even some things like inside the Expert Raw Lab. You can use the so-called virtual aperture, which is absolutely insane, by the way, because again, this is only available inside Expert Raw. We can go and tweak the aperture from 1.4 to, let's say, the 16, with a very shallow depth of field, and then with 1.4 to have a very narrow one, which is kind of quite nice, and for portrait and bokeh and stuff like this. And how do you know, guys, those are really Expert Raw photos? Let me show you. So this is the first image that I took, 24 megapixel, guys. It is indeed a RAW image, and you can see it's almost like 45 megabytes. Very quickly, what are the benefits if you're shooting RAW? Well, they're really quite too many, guys. Now, first things first is you're going to be able to capture unprocessed information directly from the sensor, provided that you're not using here. There is an option called like HDR RAW. This is going to stack multiple image, and it's the so-called cooked RAW. But if you want to do just like a regular RAW image, guys, you're going to be able to tweak a lot of things, like set the overexposure, right? But then also play with the highlights and with the shadows, right? And of course you can do this also with the curve here. So really you can express yourself in the best possible way. Now, all the other images that I've taken with this, they're also raw, and you can see, by the way, if I just try to tweak here, right, this is the curve from the first image, you're gonna see it's gonna work. And of course here I'm also able to tweak all the other things, like just tweaking the highlights. And by the way, see, by just tweaking the highlights, guys, because it's a raw photo, the processing will only just enhance the areas of the photo where I have highlights like this, but it will not touch the shadows. If I want to touch the shadows, guys, I can do it from here. Now you can see all the shadows, which is generally like all the dark items on the photo, are just going to move around. And of course you can also tweak the overall exposure, which is just, let's say, playing with the EV. You can do +5 or let's say -5. You can also go and tweak individual things like white and blacks. There are really a lot of options. The good news is that this is a very strong indication that Samsung very soon are going to launch the official One UI 8 Android 16 beta program. Now inside we have lossless RAW. Okay, and then also auto HDR. Now again, with auto HDR, guys, this is gonna take multiple image seconds. So if you want to really get like just a stock RAW image, it's better to just go and remove this one. I'm not even sure if now the latest versions of Expert Raw are just producing an uncooked or untouched image. Maybe not, but it is still a RAW image and you're able to edit it. By the way, if you don't have Lightroom, you are able to tweak RAW images directly inside the Samsung Gallery with the stock editor, guys. Why? Because yeah, I have here all the same things that I have in the Lightroom. Like for example, right now I'm just tweaking the highlights, all right, or this is going to be like the shadows, and you can see that the image has a lot of contrast, but apparently you can just tone this down as well, and also play with the other elements like the vibrance, saturation, with the temperature, and also just try to apply denoise if that's your thing, right? Just kind of like remove this sharpness. So there are really a lot of advantages. The main point here is, yes, Expert Raw now works on the One UI 8 Android 16, and we do really hope Samsung to very soon release the first official Android 16 One UI 8 beta 1, so that more of you guys can test it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you like videos like this, you might want to check my others. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.